Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm back with a new video. So guys, many new YouTube content creator have lots of confusion on starting this on YouTube on the issue of copyright. Like if we are taken images from Google, can we put the images on the video or can we make the thumbnail by using Google images that we have taken from Google? Secondly, can we get copyright claim or strike on YouTube by doing this? So these types of questions arises on their mind. So guys, don't worry, I will clear your confusion. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get these types of videos on YouTube related tips and tricks. So guys, listen carefully. According to YouTube, fair terms, uses and policies, you can use the Google images in your content for minimum 2 seconds or 10 seconds. For that, no copyright strikes will come. So guys, if copyright strikes come, then no need to worry about it. Sometimes fake copyright also comes. Secondly, there is a kind of strike if you use someone's privacy images or you expose them directly, for example a girl's face, someone's car, someone's number, someone's phone number, or any other personal things of normal people. So guys, leave the celebrities here. I'm only talking about normal people. For normal people, personal thing. If you expose or show the privacy in your video content or thumbnail of normal people, even celebrity have right to give you strikes on your video. As per YouTube fair uses policy, it's legal to use the image on the content, but the thing is we have no right to expose his or her privacy of the person because it may affect him for this thing. If he wants, he can give you the copyright strikes on you directly under the YouTube privacy ground, and guys, you will definitely get it. In such situation, you will get strikes or may video get deleted from the YouTube, or many more things can happen. So guys, beware from this thing. And third thing, what should you do for this? And guys, listen carefully, this is the most important part. Usually all normal images like nature photo, company printer photo, etc and etc, guys, I am giving only the name. Okay, for example, these type of images from Google normally you can charge and use without any tension, but the thing is there should be not be any watermark, trademark, company watermark. If there is a watermark, you can crop the image, you can easily use in your content, no problem. I'm also using images in every content. You may see that till now copyright claim has not come. The thing is there should not be any watermark or trademark on the Google images when you are using on the content. You have seen many services who sells images in Google's like Shutterstock, Pinterest, Images Bazaar, Vectorstock. People who makes banner and poster used to buy these images from Images Bazaar, Shutterstock, etc. As a normal people, we can't afford. No. If you want this type of same type of image, then also you can get on Google Catch. From there you can download it. You can use normally on your videos. Nothing will happen. Then also if company wants, they can give you the copyright, but in fair use nothing will happen to you because the company don't have the privacy on their images. Hope guys you have understand. You can use any images from Google easily on your video thumbnail, but the thing is the image should not have any company watermark or trademark. And secondly, we should not use someone's private images. In simple way to say that if we expose someone's privacy images on YouTube, then in YouTube personal background directly copyright strikes will come. So guys, hope you have understand from the video that what type of photo we can use on the YouTube. If you guys think that the video is informative for you, please subscribe and press the bell icon for next upcoming video. And guys, now it's 4 a.m. and Ramzan Mah is also going on right now. I have done Sehri and making videos for only you guys. Please do support. Thank you. Love you all.